Hey, my name is Hedgepeth.
And I'm Ryan Tagatac.
Uh, Today, what we're here to talk to you about is our thesis, which is titled Assessing DoD Confidence and Bias in AI and LLM Authored Evaluation Factors. The Department of Defense wants to start using artificial intelligence, or AI, to help make decisions about awarding contracts, but there are concerns that people won't trust decisions made by AI.
So, in our thesis, we looked at whether military staff have confidence in criteria for evaluating contract proposals that are written by AI versus human. We also checked if they show bias against AI. So, what this meant was that we had two research questions. The first question is, do DoD acquisition professionals have confidence in AI authored evaluation factors? The second question is, do DoD acquisition professionals demonstrate bias when they believe they are reading AI authored evaluation factors?
We had a small group of 24 participants read evaluation criteria from a contract proposal. Half were told the criteria were written by humans, and half were told it was AI. Then we surveyed them on things like whether the criteria were clear and if they were confident in them. What we found is that most people had less confidence in the criteria when they thought it was written by AI versus humans. When told the criteria were AI written, their ratings drop. This suggests some bias against AI.
What was interesting to note was that the older, more experienced staff showed more of this bias. However, it's important to also take note that our sample size was very small, so we can't make a firm conclusion yet. But what was even more interesting was that the participants who received human made criteria but told they were made by AI changed their ratings to be lower. And those who received AI made criteria but told they were made by human raised their rating.
Discovering these biases is important because during our research, we found that the DoD has already begun exploring AI capabilities. So we want to make sure people trust AI since it looks like AI will soon be used in the DoD.
So, after all our research and our analysis of our data, our recommendation is that the DoD needs a guide for how to use AI appropriately in acquisitions. It should promote collaboration between humans and AI and transparently address concerns like bias.
More research is needed with bigger samples to provide stronger evidence. But this initial study sheds light on issues to consider for safely leveraging AI's potential in defense acquisitions. Trust in AI will allow faster and more effective contracting to serve the nation.
And that is our thesis in a nutshell. We would like to thank Lieutenant Colonel Daniel Finkenstadt, Dr. Brett Josephson, and Lieutenant Colonel Jamie Portia, the MPS staff, and the U.S. Air Force for allowing us the opportunity to produce this research. We hope that it sets a foundation for research that will have a positive impact in the future. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.